Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Vechain chart, which at the time of this recording is gearing up after making a low at around the $0.02628 mark in a move that has also given us a break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a support for us to continue pushing even higher. We have also continued to hold above our key area of support at around the $0.02436 mark, and also continue to obey the Elliot structures, where I still believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our lower low down there at around the $0.0015 mark, we started that massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, giving us a peak at around the $0.2674 mark in what I'm terming as that larger Elliot wave contour right here in yellow, that is right here in red. And after seeing the formation of that first wave to the upside, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and after fully maximizing our target areas in the formation of that wave 2, whatever we expected next is the start of this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5, which is a fractal wave within the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3, fully maximizing our target areas and also fully maximizing the formation of that wave 3 to the upside. And getting a little bit into details, because I believe we are seeing such a scenario over here, where you can see that after making our low in the formation of that wave 2, we started this bounce to the upside in what I'm terming as that wave 1, then a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5, giving us a peak at around the $0.03256 mark. And I can change the color of this Elliot wave structure so that you can see it better, which is a fractal wave within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3. And after seeing the formation of this 5-wave structure right here in yellow, we completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside, so we can name this as a wave 1. Then I believe that after seeing the peak at around the $0.3256 mark, whatever we started over here was a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2. So I believe what we have over here giving us a low at around the $0.02621 mark is the formation of that wave 2. And we also saw an ABC corrective structure in formation within the formation of this wave 2, having that as the wave A, then a wave B. Then we made our low at around the $0.26 mark in the formation of that wave C, and using the Fibonacci, connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which lies between the $0.02735 mark and the $0.02612 mark, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And after fully maximizing it, whatever we expect next is another massive bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. So I believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is in this move that has now given us a break above the 20-day MA could be the start of the formation of this wave 3. And if I sketch out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04301 mark. So there are chances that we might continue gearing up, given that we have the support of the 20-day MA in a move that could give us a break above the wave 1 high, which lies at around the $0.3256 mark. And in case we see a break above that wave 1 high, then that would be enough confirmation that we are seeing an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, maybe in a move that could give us a high at around the $0.04 mark. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart. And my next target area is at around the $0.3256 mark, which is the wave 1 high, and that is the next area that we need to continue watching, because a break above it could trigger even higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the indicators before I give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. Here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 52 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. Also jumping to the daily chart to give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, basing it on the ETH structures. Here on the daily chart, you can see that Vechain, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $2.9 mark, in what I'm terming as that larger ETH count one to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.01464 mark, in what I'm terming as the low for that higher ETH wave count 2. And after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever we expect next here on the long-term scenarios is the start of this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, where I have minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.46277 mark. And that is what I'm expecting here on the long-term scenarios and also on the short-term scenarios. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.